We have a verdict in the shocking murder for hire case in Florida. It has family drama, hitmen, intrigue, and a grandmother who bought a one-way ticket to Vietnam and then was arrested at the airport. Donna Adelson was convicted in the killing of her former son-in-law 11 years ago. At the same time, he was in a bitter custody battle with her daughter. Skylar Henry has a story that started long before yesterday's verdict.
The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. Mrs. Adelson, control yourself.
Visibly distraught after hearing the verdict on Thursday, Donna Adelson was convicted of murder in the shooting death of her former son-in-law. The South Florida grandmother is the fifth person to be found guilty in the 2014 murder for hire plot of her grandchildren's father, Dan Markel, a well-known professor who was embroiled in a custody battle with ex-wife Wendy. Prosecutors allege the 75-year-old Adelson conspired with her son and his girlfriend to hire two hitmen to kill Markel.
Dan was the boy's hero, and they have been forced to grow up without a father.
Minutes after the verdict was read, Markel's parents pleaded for the maximum sentence.
And my only short question to Donna, was it worth it?
In July of 2014, Dan Markel was shot to death in his car outside his Tallahassee, Florida home. CBS News legal contributor Caroline Polisi.
The elephant in the room throughout all of these trials has been Wendy Adelson. It seems incomprehensible that her mother and brother would hatch a scheme, a wide-ranging conspiracy murder for hire plot to execute in cold blood her husband without her knowledge.
Wendy, who was called as a state witness in her mother's trial, has not been charged with any crime. For CBS Mornings, I'm Skylar Henry.